Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a what's in my baby's hospital bag video. We are going in for a scheduled C-section here in just a couple of days, but I have had this bag packed for probably about 8 weeks now, if not a little bit longer. This is our first baby and I've watched a ton, like probably 50 million of these videos here on YouTube to kind of prepare myself and get a good list going of what we're going to need to take to the hospital with us. So I have a pretty good idea of what I'm going to need to take for baby for hospital stuff. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys what I'm bringing with me. I am planning on doing a follow-up video to this, letting you know what I actually used out of all of my hospital bag stuff. I thought that that would be kind of helpful, but this is everything that I am bringing with me. If you guys have not been following along with my pregnancy, I will go ahead and link my entire pregnancy update video playlist in a card on the screen here, and I can also link all of the pregnancy updates down below. And other than that, let's just go ahead and get into what I am bringing to the hospital for baby. So obviously we're bringing her car seat with us. We have a cute little car seat cover on there, and then we have a blanket that we're going to take since she is being born the end of February. It's going to be a little bit cold outside, so we are taking a blanket and stuff to tuck in the car seat and a cover for the car seat and all that. The next item is my nursing pillow. I don't remember the brand of this off the top of my head, but I will go ahead and link the pregnancy update video where I talked about this pillow in a card up above here so that you can go and check that out. But it is just your basic like U-shaped nursing pillow. I am going to try nursing, even though I've heard it's a little bit difficult when you have a C-section to get the baby to latch and everything. So we'll see how that goes, but I am going to take this with me just in case, because I figured if there's any place to give it a try, it would probably be at the hospital with nurses and consultants that can help me. So definitely taking this. And also I'm having a C-section, so I've heard that it's really hard to like hold the baby and stuff afterwards anyway, so I thought it would be kind of nice to have a pillow that I can like prop her on so that I'm not straining myself, so this will be really nice to have for that as well. So the bag that I am taking is actually the baby's diaper bag. This is the Jujubee BFF bag. This is the East Hampton print, I believe. I know that this is a discontinued collection, and I found this on Amazon. I actually got this for Christmas. Again, I can link the video where I talked about the diaper bag, but I just want to give you a little peek at the inside here because it is so cute. We've got little flamingos. It's like a bright coral color on the inside, gray and white striped on the outside, and I'm really excited to convert this over to a diaper bag. So half of the stuff that's in here already is kind of diaper bag stuff, and half of it is hospital bag stuff. So I do have like some diapers and stuff. I know the hospital provides diapers and wipes and all of that kind of stuff for you, but we do have like a follow-up appointment a couple days after we get home, so I'm kind of already have it packed for being at home. But everything is in the big main pocket of this bag, and I am planning on doing a review of this bag after I've been using it for a while, because the Jujubee BFF diaper bags are crazy ridiculous expensive. So I'm definitely planning on doing a video kind of talking about like if it's worth it or not once I've been using it for a while. Let's go ahead and get into what I am taking to the hospital with me. So first of all, like I mentioned, I do have a few diapers in here. I have a little Pampers newborn diaper, and then these are a couple of Honest Company diapers. Like I said, I know the hospital provides diapers and wipes for you. I just have these tucked in here so that if we need to go somewhere, I will have them on hand. I also have a little package of wipes. These are from Pampers, and I believe this has 6 wipes in here, so this will probably be for about 2 diaper changes, but I thought I would throw these in as well. I have some of these little Arm & Hammer bags that you can put dirty diapers in. I know newborn diapers typically don't smell too bad for the first few days, but I thought I would grab some of these. I also have some hand sanitizer. This is the foaming hand sanitizer from Baby Organics. This one is the fragrance-free kind, and I am pretty much going to have every single person that comes to the hospital bathe in this before they hold my teeny tiny little newborn, so I am definitely going to use this in the hospital. I know that for sure. I have a little baby lotion. This is just a sample of the Aveeno Daily Moisture Lotion, and I got this from my Target baby registry gift that they give you. They had a ton of baby items in there, so I threw a lot of the samples in here so that I can use them up in the first few days, hopefully. I also have a little sample of the Honest Company Organic Healing Balm. I've heard that you can use this as a diaper rash cream, or if they have any kind of like redness on their face, their cheeks and stuff can kind of get a little bit chapped. So I heard that this is really good for that. I do have an entire video where I unboxed the Honest Company little toiletry sample kit that they sent out that's free. You just pay shipping. So I can go ahead and link that up in a card where I show you everything that comes in there. This was one of the things that came in there. So again, I'm just kind of trying to put samples in the diaper bag so that I will remember to use them. And then I also have some nail clippers. These are so cute. They're from Safety First, and they're the little Minnie Mouse ones with polka dots on it. I love this. So adorable. I have 2 burp cloths rolled up and tucked into the side pocket here. These are the Gerber brand, and they are just the tri-fold cloth diapers. That's what my parents have always used for all of my siblings for burp cloths. They work great. They're nice and long and thick, and they are awesome for burp cloths. So like I said, I have 2 of those. On the other side pocket here, I have this little swaddle blanket, which is so stinking cute. And this actually comes with a little matching headband, so I thought for newborn pictures it would be super cute to swaddle her up in this with the little headband. I have a couple of pacifiers in here. These are the Mam brand pacifiers. I'm not sure if she's going to like these or the Soothy ones that they give you in the hospital better, so I thought that I would grab both. And then I have some pacifier wipes. These are the Munchkin brand, just because I have not actually sanitized these yet. So if I don't have time to do that between now and when we go, I thought I would throw these in so that I can give them kind of their first wash out of the package with these little sanitizing wipes. So that's why both of these are in here. I caved and I bought a freaking Wubba Nub, and I know these are stupid expensive. It's like $14 for a pacifier, but I couldn't resist, and I was watching somebody's video here on YouTube. It was like their hospital vlog, and they had this exact giraffe Wubba Nub in their teeny tiny cute little newborn's mouth, and I just couldn't resist buying one. So these again are the Soothy pacifiers. This is what the hospital provides for you, so I like that this is weighted, especially for a newborn, because they're not really used to like sucking on things, so their pacifiers fall out of their mouths a lot. So I like that this will just stay right on her chest if it falls out of her mouth, and I'm really excited to use this, and I hope that she likes this. I really hope she likes this. I'm planning on doing a YouTube made me buy it baby edition and talk about all of the things that I bought for baby because of YouTube videos, and this is definitely one of those things, and I really hope that I can report back good news on this. I hope she likes it and I didn't just spend a crap ton of money on a pacifier. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted on this, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. How can you say no to this? How? It's so cute. And then the last items that are in here are clothes. So I brought a few outfits. I'm not sure if we're going to want to keep her in a diaper and swaddle the whole time we're there, or if we're going to want to get her dressed. So I brought some extra onesies just in case we want to dress her, but I may have gone a little overboard on clothes. May have gone just a tiny bit overboard on clothes, so forgive me, but here we go. So first and foremost, I have this little onesie here. I'm bringing this just to go underneath other outfits. I also have this little onesie, which again is kind of just to go underneath outfits if I need. And then I am bringing only one sleeper. This is a fleece sleeper. It's from Carter's. It's so cute. and everything I'm bringing is newborn sized. I debated bringing a 0 to 3 month size outfit to the hospital, but so far from my ultrasounds, she's been really small, so I'm not too worried about her not fitting. I think newborn size will be just fine. The first little outfit I'm bringing is just a plain white long-sleeved onesie. And then I have this super cute fleece little sweater vest to go on top of that, and this has little ears on the hood. It's so cute. I thought this would be adorable with the long white sleeves underneath. And then for pants, I just have a plain gray pair, and these have ruffles on the bum. They're so cute, so I thought that this would be a cute little outfit, and I got this hair bow to match. This came in a 3-pack, and it is Carter's brand, I believe, from Target. And then for the second outfit, it is just a plain black t-shirt, has a little lace pocket and some lace detail up on the top here. And I have these pants to go with. These are the cutest little leggings. I adore these. And then I'm bringing this little knotted headband here to go with that outfit. This is from Old Navy, and it is the cutest thing in the world. I absolutely love this little coat. And then just a couple of final things. I'm bringing 2 pairs of socks. So I've got some white ones with pink heel and toe, and then some pink and white striped socks. And then I have 2 pairs of mittens. These are pink with white polka dots, and these ones are gray with little white hearts on them. So I know that newborns can scratch their faces super easily, so I'm bringing a couple pairs of mittens, but a lot of moms say that they didn't even use mittens for their babies, so I thought it would be nice to have them just in case, and if she doesn't use them, she doesn't use them, and whatever. As I showed you earlier, I'm also bringing nail clippers, but I don't know if her fingers are going to be too tiny to cut her nails right at the beginning, so I thought I would bring the mittens kind of as a backup. But yeah, that is everything that I am bringing in her hospital bag. Basically a ton of clothes and some pacifiers, a swaddle, a couple of burp cloths, the basic baby items that you would need. I know that the hospital does provide a lot of this stuff for you, so I think it'll be interesting to see what we actually end up using and what we just use from the hospital. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the update video I do on this. I'm also going to be doing a what's in my hospital bag video, which is going to be up very soon here for you. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm bringing for me and my hubby to the hospital, stay tuned for that. Otherwise, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.